how to purchase Google Play Store gift card on Amazon. First, you will need to go to Amazon.com and use the search bar to search for Google Play gift card and just enter the first option. Now you have many different options, but I recommend this first one. If you click on it, then it's going to take you to the Google Play gift code section, and you will be able to receive the code through email or text message. So it's going to be a digital code, and this one is going to be for the US only. Okay, so you want to choose whether you want an e-gift card or a physical gift card. If you select physical gift card, you will need to wait for it to be shipped to you. If you select e-gift card, you will receive it on your mobile phone number as a text message or on your email. You can choose the amount which you want to get for this Google Play gift card. So you have $25, $50, $75, $100, $150, and $200. And you can also choose the design for that specific gift card. Afterwards, what you have to do is to click on Buy Now. You can choose the quantity here as well, up to 50. Buy Now, you will just provide your email. So here the email is required, so you need to type your email address before you can click on Buy Now. And now you can click on Buy Now, purchase it as you would purchase any item on Amazon. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.